If you're seeing LibreOffice error 509, don't worry. This is usually a simple formula problem, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it fast. Error 509 in LibreOffice Calc typically means that a missing operator is causing the formula to break. That could be a plus sign, minus sign, multiplication sign, or division symbol that should be between values but isn't there. So if your spreadsheet is showing this error, stay with me because we're going to fix it step by step. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick LibreOffice and spreadsheet tutorials. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets you find more helpful guides like this one. All right, let's get into it. First, open LibreOffice Calc and go to the cell that is showing error 509. This is the cell where the formula is failing, so that is the first place we need to inspect. Once you click that cell, look up at the formula bar at the top of the screen. The formula bar is important because it shows the exact formula that Calc is trying to calculate. In many cases, error 509 appears when two values are placed next to each other without an operator between them. For example, if a formula is missing a plus sign between numbers, Calc will not know how to process it. So carefully read the formula from left to right and check whether every value has the correct symbol connecting it. Now, if you notice a missing operator, fix it directly in the formula bar. Add the correct symbol where it belongs. That might be a plus sign if you're adding values, a minus sign if you're subtracting, an asterisk if you're multiplying, or a / if you're dividing. Once you insert the missing operator, press Enter on your keyboard to apply the correction. In many cases, that is all it takes to remove the error immediately. LibreOffice will recalculate the formula, and the 509 message should disappear. If the formula still isn't working, the next best solution is to delete the broken formula completely and type it again from scratch. Sometimes a formula gets messed up because of an accidental typo, a missing bracket, or a symbol placed in the wrong spot. To avoid guessing, click the cell, remove the current formula, and re-enter it slowly and carefully. Make sure each number, reference, and operator appear in the correct order. If you're using cell references, double-check that the references make sense and that the formula structure is valid. When you're done, press Enter again and see whether Calc accepts the formula. A useful tip here is to build the formula one part at a time. Type the first value, then the operator, then the next value, and keep going slowly. That makes it much easier to catch mistakes before they turn into an error. For example, if you're calculating totals, make sure the formula actually has a symbol between each part. Missing even one operator can trigger error 509, so spacing and structure really matter. If you're still getting the error, take one more look for hidden formula mistakes. Sometimes the problem isn't obvious at first glance. The formula may have been copied from somewhere else, or a reference may have been entered incorrectly. In that case, the safest approach is to start fresh and rewrite the formula carefully. This helps eliminate any accidental formatting or stray characters that may be causing the issue. And if the formula is meant to calculate something simple, try testing a basic version first to make sure Calc is reading it correctly. So, to recap, LibreOffice error 509 usually means that your formula is missing an operator or has incorrect formula structure. Open the cell, check the formula bar, add the missing symbol, or rewrite the formula slowly and correctly. Most of the time, that will fix the issue right away. If this video helped you solve a problem, please give it a like, subscribe for more LibreOffice fixes, and leave a comment if you want help with another spreadsheet error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.